TalkTalk box problems are common in 2025, with many users experiencing freezing, network connectivity issues, and remote control malfunctions. As TalkTalk transitions to streaming solutions, knowing basic troubleshooting is essential. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is a power cycle reset. This simple procedure resolves approximately 70% of minor glitches and should always be your starting point. Network connectivity issues cause 25% of TalkTalk box problems. Start by checking your Ethernet cable connection, ensuring it's firmly plugged into both the box and your router. Test your internet speed to ensure it meets the minimum requirement of 10 megabits per second. Slower speeds can cause buffering, freezing, and connection drops. If speed tests show poor performance, restart your router. This clears temporary network issues and often restores optimal connectivity for your TalkTalk box. Video and audio problems often stem from HDMI connection issues. Inspect your HDMI cable for physical damage, try different ports on your TV, and verify your TV is set to the correct input source. If basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset may be necessary. However, this will erase all your recordings, settings, and preferences. Only use this as a last resort when other methods have failed. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of TalkTalk box issues. Power cycling fixes 70% of problems. Network troubleshooting addresses 25%, and cable checks resolve 15% of remaining issues. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your TalkTalk box issues, advanced techniques can help identify and fix more complex problems. Let's explore systematic approaches for the most challenging situations. If your TalkTalk box won't turn on at all, the issue is likely power-related. First, check if the power adapter is functioning correctly by testing it with a multimeter or trying a compatible replacement adapter. For picture and sound issues, the problem often lies in the connection between your box and TV or in the audio output configuration. Check your TV's input settings and ensure you're on the correct HDMI channel. When your box freezes or runs slowly, it's usually due to memory or storage issues. Access the Settings menu to clear the cache, which removes temporary files that can slow down performance. Remote control problems are common but easily fixed. Start by replacing the batteries, then try repairing the remote by holding the OK and 0 buttons simultaneously until the LED indicator changes. For systematic troubleshooting, following a structured approach like this environmental conditions flowchart ensures you don't miss critical steps and can identify root causes more effectively. While these troubleshooting techniques remain valuable, TalkTalk is transforming its TV service delivery model. The future points towards streaming-based solutions that reduce dependence on traditional hardware. TalkTalk is shifting from traditional set-top boxes to app-based streaming services. This transition offers greater flexibility, reduced hardware costs, and integration with modern smart home ecosystems. Modern streaming infrastructure uses cloud services like AWS to deliver content globally. This architecture provides scalable, reliable service that adapts to demand and delivers high-quality video to multiple devices simultaneously. Industry data shows that streaming adoption is accelerating rapidly. Traditional set-top box usage is declining by 15 to 20% annually, while cloud-based solutions are experiencing exponential growth. While advanced troubleshooting techniques remain essential for current TalkTalk box users, the future clearly points towards streaming solutions. This evolution promises better reliability, enhanced features, and seamless integration with modern digital lifestyles.